single best exercise in the world. The simplest, the easiest, the most readily available, and universally the most underrated exercise to improve your physical, mental, and overall health is walking.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. So guys, ये वीडियो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है मेरे लिए भी और मेरे सब्सक्राइबर्स के लिए भी, बिकॉज अगर आप मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो करते हो तो यू मस्ट नो कि मैं आजकल अर्ली मॉर्निंग वे अर्ली वॉक पे जा रही हूँ एंड मैं एवरेज कर रही हूँ अराउंड 8 to 10,000 स्टेप्स डेली. सो आई वॉज गेटिंग क्वेश्चंस मोस्टली कि कितना वेट लूज़ हुआ एंड सेकेंडली यार कैसे कर रही है, हमसे तो होता ही नहीं है. सो इस वीडियो को मैं 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करने वाली हूँ बिकॉज वरना बहुत लंबी हो जाएगी. फर्स्ट पार्ट विल बी द बेनिफिट्स जो मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किए हैं और सेकेंड पार्ट विल बी कि कैसे मैंने अपने आप को मोटिवेट किया और थ्रू आउट द प्रोसेस रखा टू डू द स्टफ. एंड बहुत सिंपल कुछ चीज़ें हैं, प्रैक्टिकल चीज़ें हैं जो मैंने अप्लाई की है. आई विल नॉट से समथिंग लाइक कि डिसिप्लिन होना चाहिए. यार ये हम हर जगह सुन रहे हैं, डिसिप्लिन कैसे होना चाहिए, कैसे मैं अपने अंदर डिसिप्लिन लेके आई इस चीज़ को करने का. सेकेंड पार्ट आई विल बी शेयरिंग विद यू दैट व्हाट आर द फ्यू लाइन्स दैट आई रिपीट टू माई सेल्फ एवरी डे एंड दैट कीप्स माई ब्रेन ऑन फोकस. आई नीड एटलीस्ट 10 comments on this video for me to make second part, and I'm not kidding you because that is the most important part. There I will be sharing my secrets with you all, that how I pump myself, how I motivate myself to start any task and to be able to do them all. But I need some motivation as well, so your comment will be my motivation, and leave some comment below if you want to see the second part. So guys, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing first, let me show you the app that I use and the statistics about the same. The app, you can see that I have averaged around 8,000 steps per day. So why it happened? Because due to pre-monsoon there were some weather issues because of which I was not able to follow my 4 AM routine for 3 days. So on an average it comes to 8,000 steps. Okay, so the first and my favorite benefit is I have become an influencer of a sort. Looking at me doing walk consistently for a given period of time, my brother and my sister also get motivated, so they also join me in the early morning walk, and they have also gained some benefit from the walk, which we will discuss in few minutes. So the second one is, as you have already seen in the thumbnail, that I have lost the weight, but I have to disappoint you here by telling you that I haven't lost any weight on weighing machine. I have definitely lost inches, which is way more important than having numbers going down on weighing machine. I have basically lost a body fat, which is amazing because I look way toned up. Extra inches from here and there, extra fat from the belly, from the back, everything went away like a magic. And in the last few days when I was not able to walk, it didn't came back. So it's like a permanent reduction of that extra fat, extra bloating that I had in my body. Per the measuring tape, I have lost an inch on my face, but I look way lean and toned up. Show you, this is the jeans that I have ordered 10 days back from the Myntra, and it was fitting me perfectly. And after a week, you can see it is very loose on me. So the target of walking 10,000 steps a day has doing wonders for my skin, for my health, which brings to the third benefit, that I am in love with the quality of my skin. It looks way healthy, way glowy. It glows at all the right places, and basically there is no dullness on my face, and I am completely loving it. Okay, so the fourth important benefit is my sleep quality has improved. Now I sleep at a stretch without any disturbance. I sleep deeply. Before I used to be tired after waking up as if I was working out. Now I feel refreshed, energetic and ready to roll. This is Personally very important to me, and for this very reason, even if I ignore all the other things, I will not stop walking at least these many steps a day. I didn't personally lose any weight on weighing machine, but my brother did. He lost 5 kg, and now I'm going to speak his word. This is something he noticed, and this is something he loves about walking 10,000 steps a day, that his mood has improved. Walks, he is in a good mood, he feels good after having a walk, and this is something that I have experienced as well. Beside mood, my focus has improved, and I have even experienced that when I walk, I see myself smiling at times, looking at beautiful moon, looking at stars, and feeling blessed, gratitude at that very moment. I am present in the moment. To go on a morning walk is something that you can gift yourself for your better health, spiritually, mentally, physically. You will feel definitely very better. And about my sister, she also has lost 3 kg of weight. Her digestion has improved like anything. We were bloated most of the time, we had digestion issues most of the time, which is not the case now. When I look at things, I will say that walk works on all the dimensions. Whatever you need, it will improve on that. I have even listened some people have gained weight from the walk, so I compare it with yoga. It works on your organs, it works on your hormones, and whatever your skin, your health, your spiritual, your mental health need, it's do the same. Important thing that now I don't have to worry about important lifestyle changes which are beneficial for your health, like sleep, like having better digestion. Individually, walk kind of lay a good foundation for that. Basically, having to walk early morning daily sets the tone for the day ahead by 2 ways. First, that I get to spend some time with me, which is very important for me. I plan, I think about it, I let my thoughts flow at that moment, which is kind of meditation. This is what is taught in first stages of meditation, to let your thoughts flow. I let them flow, I think, I do as I feel. So it sets the tone for my day in this way. And second, when I am able to walk 10,000 steps a day, it gives me a sense of accomplishment on the start of the day. So it's like giving my brain a super food that energizes me for the whole day. If you are not someone who do a lot of workout or who get tired easily, this is something that you can do as a first step, and it will set the right tone for your brain and for your physique as well, and you can build on that. So I hope you like this video and this help you, and I will suggest you to incorporate this in your life to see the magic that it's going to work on your mental, physical and spiritual being.